This video demonstrates how users can pay merchants with their EUDI wallet. In Part 1, we explained how to link a bank account to the wallet using a Payment Wallet Attestation or PWA. We will now demonstrate how to confirm payments with the PWA securely. The workflow implements European Wallet Consortium EWC RFC 008 as specified by the EWC Payment Task Force. The OpenID for Verifiable Presentation OpenID4VP protocol with payment transaction data is used to confirm payments. This workflow showcases how merchants use the iGrant.io organization wallet's OpenID4VP capabilities to request payments via QR code. After receiving the payment transaction data with the Payment Wallet Attestation PWA, the merchant uses 3DS to securely validate and confirm the payment through the Payment Service Provider PSP. The PSP further uses its organization wallet to validate the PWA and the payment data, ensuring a secure and reliable transaction process. Now let's move to the interactive payment data confirmation workflow. Start by obtaining an API key from iGrant.io, then set the API key as shown. The merchant admin can now create a payment definition to request proof for the PWA and confirm the payment transaction data. The payment request has been generated as shown. To generate the QR code, toggle the switch as shown. The QR code could, for example, be in the POS device or the e-commerce website. The user scans the QR code with the EUDI wallet and connects to the merchant to confirm payment. The merchant receives and validates the payment data confirmation using their organization wallet. Then, they use 3DS to send the confirmation to the PSP. The workflow now proceeds with the PSP using their API key as shown. The PSP can now validate the transaction data received via 3DS using their organization wallet capabilities, provided by iGrant.io. Follow the process shown in the video to try it out. Here, the PSP validates the VP token, transaction data, and PWA to ensure transaction authenticity and key binding, cross-referencing the details with their organization wallet records from the time of issuance. The payment is now confirmed towards the merchant.